In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count cells with text in Google Sheets. We'll explore a few methods that will help you efficiently tally those cells that contain text using some of Google Sheets' key functions. Whether you're maintaining a spreadsheet for work, school, or personal use, knowing how to count text-filled cells can be a critical skill. To get started, you'll first need to open a Google Sheet. This can be an existing document that you've already been working on or a brand new one. Once you're ready with your spreadsheet open, the next move is to find a cell where you'll place our first formula. This can be anywhere that makes sense in your data setup, but for the sake of practice, try selecting an empty cell so you can clearly see the results of the formula. Now, let's dive into the first function. You're going to type in the formula count A1C21. What this function does is count all the numeric values in the range from A1 to C21. Hit the Enter key after typing it in to execute the formula. This basic formula lays the groundwork for understanding the difference between counting numbers and text. Then, you'll move on to another function called counta. In your selected cell, type counta A1C21 and press Enter. This formula will count all non-empty cells within that range, including those that contain text. It's a handy way to see how many cells have data of any type. For a more specific count of text entries, you'll need the count_IEF function. In another empty cell, type S shows count_IEF A1 C21 sample. By executing this, you'll count only the cells containing the exact word sample. If you want to count cells containing different text values, replace sample with your desired text, but make sure to keep it in quotes. Next, let's take it a step further with the countifs function. This allows you to set multiple criteria within your range. For example, let's type countifs A1 C21 text and hit Enter. Just like before, this will count the cells that hold the exact text you mention. It's particularly useful when working with larger datasets where specific criteria need to be met. And there you have it. A few simple methods to count the cells with text in your Google Sheets. Remember, while entering these formulas, you can modify the cell range and criteria according to your unique dataset. Having these tricks up your sleeve can significantly enhance how you analyze and manage your spreadsheets. So feel free to experiment with different ranges and text to suit your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and happy counting.